Look moisturized. Okay.
It's literally like they say it's a microcosm. Give yourself workouts.
It's the only thing I want you to know to get good. When you do the lip,
right.
I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. It's just to keep it moisturized. This is so cute. It's tinted too.
I know. I was like, okay, are we doing lipstick? Is that your ringtone?
No, I just got this timer going on. It just helps me with being aware of how much time is passing by.
Okay, good.
Because like I said, I will stay on one thing and be dropping it all day. Like, I make it so.
As you get older,
That's important.
you become more aware.
That.
And you're not crazy. You're not crazy for the things that you feel. And like as I'm growing, I'm learning more to trust my inner feeling and trust my inner guide.
We be knowing.
We be knowing. And for so long, I'll be like, okay, maybe I'm tripping, or maybe I'm this, maybe I'm doing too much,
really
maybe
not.
I'm thinking too deep. No, this is who I am, and I can trust myself.
That we all make mistakes, but I definitely can say a lot of stuff that I've gotten into. I'd be like, if I would have just listened to my first mind, or like if I would have trusted myself,
or if I would have just like took these signs more seriously, like it'd be so
because
subtle.
sometimes it'd be there, like it really there.
It'd be there
Be hidden
for
in plain
sure.
sight. It literally.
In plain sight. But when we start moving in our flesh, right, and we start moving in the things that we think we want and our own desires, then that's when things can kind of get like, okay, I'm blind to it.
That.
Let me see this thing through. Let me see it through for a second.
That. But no, I definitely agree.
Yeah.
Cause, Lord, Lord, it be there.
Right.
And I feel like it just be about being accountable too. Like,
Being accountable. I mean, but you can still go out and have fun and be sober. You don't need to.
I'll get it. I don't know if you can see, girl.
Yes, it looks beautiful. I love getting smoked out with my eyes because it makes it pop.
Cat eyes are so pretty to me. I love, like, the more I've been learning,
I
like,
love cat eyes.
even just elongating the eyes, like, period. It definitely does it. Like, I love.
So pretty.
But
This is photo shoot makeup, like.
ready. Photo shoot ready.
I love being a muse. I love this art. And I just love getting my face beat. Like, glue on my liner too, though, didn't you?
I did. I was just like, let me see if it's gonna let me move. Ate up.
He's getting used and abused. But it's still gonna work though. It's still gonna do what it needs to do.
Everything it needs to do.
You are a perfectionist. That was too high. I need to make this.
They're like, bitch, you skipped too many steps.
Right. I'll go from this to that. Dry.
Well, the glass is gonna make it a little bit more button.
This is beautiful, Kat. Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much. I've been practicing so much, and learning just so much of shit. I just been waiting to like pop off.
Oh my gosh.
Practice it.
You popped off. For sure.
And to think before the session, I was like,
girl, I didn't know what you was gonna do. Oh, okay,
I was trying to figure it out all night. I went on a walk and everything yesterday. Like, I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna plot. Cause I've just been trying to be more like strategic of how I go about my freestyle sessions. Like, let me just not just be playing for real.
Right.
But Lord,
You did it.
I was just really creative. I was like, I really wanted to use that pigment, that blue pigment, but.
They ruined it?
No, it looks good. It looks so pretty. And blue light from here. And I'm just gonna go in high. And black. And blossom. And just keep going. I'm gonna oversaturate myself.
Baby, I am camera ready. I'm ready to.
Okay. Period.
Yes, all I need is a good little brow gel. Flip them things up.
That's what I was like, you have the model face for real, like brows, everything. You ain't gotta do too much for real. Fuck Michaela. Michaela, I'm gonna call you Michaela something else. Sorry.
You know what? Just call me Michaela at this point.
No, I'm gonna get right. I'm a little cold right now, but don't worry, I'm gonna get right. And then now, really, it just goes well with that one, with that blue too. Cause like, closer. If you even look at like the blue look that I did, like on my other model, like my lighter skin model Megan, it was the same tone of brown, and it looked gorgeous on her.